I let it fall.
I know you better than that.
I thought you did.
Please don't do this, Marcus. Please. Do you love me?
It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me.
My life.
My hands, they were strong, but my knees would fall too
We shall be known this. Shall I leave?
I love that no matter what life throws at us, you always have my back, and I will always have your back.
Left me.
I know. Losing ground.
People say you love me.
What's the that? That's one of me, isn't it?
Use me deeply, princess.
What do you think is happening here?
You made a mistake. Because we ever asked for your help in the case. Forgive me. Does that mean that it's over?
Yeah. It's over.
I can't just sit here while I'm waiting for you to come back. How is that okay?
I'm going anywhere. Because I can wait.
I love you. I think what my mom too reminds me. I can't keep you. I know. Have you. And I'm in love. You're coming back, right? I can't.
You're gonna be the guy who always fights.
You have me.
Una cosa, ¿tú qué coño sabrás de lo que es querer a alguien que te quiera? No poder estar juntos por la puta sociedad en la que vivimos, ¿no?